DJI offering powerful features like better low-light performance, longer battery life, and strong stabilization. Here are top 5 best DJI action cameras. All buying links are given in description and tagged below. Number 5. DJI Osmo Nano. The Osmo Nano stands out as one of the best DJI action cameras because it completely redefines portability without sacrificing quality. Its ultra-lightweight and magnetic mounting system allow truly hands-free shooting from unique angles, making it perfect for POV content, vlogging, and daily creators. Despite its tiny size, it packs a powerful sensor with up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range, delivering impressive detail, balanced highlights, and strong low-light performance. It also records 4K video up to 60 frames per second, supported by DJI's advanced stabilization for smooth professional footage. On top of that, features like 10-bit D-Log color, 200-minute battery life, waterproofing up to 10 meters, and direct microphone support make it incredibly versatile for both casual users and serious creators, making the Osmo Nano the best DJI camera for creators who want maximum portability, creative freedom, and pro-level video in a tiny form factor. Number 4. DJI Osmo 360. The DJI Osmo 360 stands out as one of the best DJI cameras because it delivers a completely different level of creative freedom compared to traditional action cams. Its 1-inch 360-degree imaging system and native 8K video capture incredibly detailed, cinematic footage with strong, low-light performance. What truly makes it special is the ability to capture everything around you at once and reframe later. This means you never miss a shot, making it perfect for YouTube creators, travel vloggers, and action shooters who want maximum flexibility in editing. It also supports 360-degree photos, 4K 120 frames per second boost mode, and advanced stabilization like Horizon Steady, ensuring smooth and immersive footage even in extreme motion. Features like invisible selfie stick effect, 10-bit D-Log color, and direct mic connectivity further push it into professional territory, giving creators both cinematic quality and creative control, making the Osmo 360 the best DJI camera for those who want next-level storytelling, immersive visuals, and unmatched versatility in a single device. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is considered one of the best DJI cameras because it perfectly balances performance, durability, and value. It features a large 1.3-inch sensor, which delivers excellent low-light performance and strong dynamic range, making it ideal for both daytime and night shooting. It records 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with a wide 155-degree field of view, giving smooth, immersive footage for action scenes and cinematic shots. One of its biggest strengths is DJI's Rock Steady and Horizon Steady stabilization, which keeps footage incredibly smooth even in extreme motion. The camera is also highly durable, waterproof up to 18 meters without a case, and capable of operating in extreme temperatures, making it perfect for travel and adventure use. With 10-bit D-Log M color, long battery life, and a quick magnetic mounting system, it offers pro-level features at a more affordable price, making the Osmo Action 4 the best DJI camera for creators who want top-tier performance, reliability, and value in one compact device. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Action 5 Pro is one of the best DJI cameras because it delivers flagship-level performance across every key area: image quality, battery life, and stabilization. It features a powerful 1.3-inch sensor with 13.5 stops of dynamic range, producing sharp, detailed footage with excellent low-light performance. It records stunning 4K video with 10-bit color and pro profiles like D-Log, giving creators more flexibility for cinematic editing and color grading. One of its biggest advantages is the massive battery life up to 4 hours, which is among the best in any action camera, making it ideal for long shoots and outdoor content. The camera also includes advanced stabilization, ensuring smooth, shake-free footage even in extreme motion. Add features like subject tracking, dual OLED touchscreens, waterproofing up to 20 meters, and built-in storage, and it becomes a complete creator tool, making the Osmo Action 5 Pro the best DJI camera for creators who want top-tier video quality, long battery life, and pro-level features in one rugged device. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 6. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is the best DJI cameras because it pushes action camera performance to a near-professional level. It features a large 1.1-inch sensor, delivering outstanding dynamic range, sharper detail, and significantly better low-light performance than most action cams. What truly sets it apart is its variable aperture, a rare feature in action cameras, allowing you to control exposure and depth more like a traditional camera, making it highly versatile in both bright and low-light conditions. It also supports high-quality video up to 4K 120 frames per second, along with 10-bit color for advanced color grading, making it ideal for YouTube creators and cinematic content, with advanced stabilization, ensuring reliable performance in extreme environments, making the Osmo Action 6 the best overall DJI camera for creators who want maximum image quality, creative control, and all-round flagship performance in a rugged compact body. Subscribe and check out other camera buying videos.